Hi, Nitin.
Hey, hi Sujana.
So, Nitin deals with the training activities for Grey Edge, and my name is Sujona, and I deal with marketing for Grey Edge. And Grey Edge is an Autodesk certified training center. So, Nitin, for architects and interior designers, which software would you recommend?
Well, most of us have learned AutoCAD in academics. So the next level of software training I would like to recommend is Revit architecture. Revit being a building information modeling software, it provides details such as bill of quantities, material takeoffs, and much more. It also supports with cloud rendering, which is an added feature. The other software which I like to recommend is 3ds Max with V-Ray rendering. With that, you can get photorealistic outputs such as images, walkthroughs, and virtual reality 360 degrees panorama images as well.
Excellent. So, apart from classroom training, which other modes of training does Grey Edge deliver?
We provide two modes of training. One is the instructor-led training, and the other is video-based learning. Under instructor-led training, we provide classroom training and online training. With video-based learning, we are having high-definition pre-recorded videos where a user can view it at their own pace and at their own time. Upon completion of certain modules, the user can do practicals and get their queries and doubt resolved by the trainers.
Great. So, thank you so much for making the time, and I hope that whoever's watching gains key insights. So, thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you very much.